Otikpo, you again. Otikpo, you again. Fighting in this school. Otikpo, you know we don't condone such. We don't condone any form of bullying, any form of fighting. And of all people, you have to choose favor. A female student. Otikpo. Otikpo. Why? What happened?
No, I don't know. Makalaka.
Go say, shut up and speak English. What happened? Favor. Why do you have to fight? What happened? Tell me exactly what happened.
I was on my own, no, reading my book. Then he came and stepped on me. He pushed me. Then I pushed him back. He slapped me. Then I did the same back to him. That's how the fight began.
Oh. Hey! Otikpo. What Favor just said now, is it true?
Kopeze, please, I don't hear what she told. Can you interpret it for me?
Interpret it to you. Otikpo, okay. Tell me what happened. Explain now. What did you hear?
I did my day. I did my day. I see is my ear. Whim. Wee. Within I turn. I see her. I suffer. Whim.
Jesus. Otikpo, you want to slap me?
Jesus. No.
You know that? You want to slap your copper?
No. Kopeze don't want to. Hi, Otikpo. Respect yourself. We are in the public.
Otikpo. Okay, continue.
And she give me snake bite like this. I see you are giving me like this. I give a monkey style. Whip.
Otikpo, you want to scatter my family again? You want to kick me in my family? Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, my generation. This is what you did. I mean exactly what you did to Favor.
This my leg. It's only if I do like this, you lose control.
Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, you want to scatter my family? Otikpo, 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 Otikpo.
Asavo cham. Copper sindo. No be copper eze be this. Waiting there for am. Copper Kevin Achukwa. Why are you running? Kevin Achukwa, Kevin Emezi.
Copper Meka. For local government secretariat.
Yeah.
And then they come from who?
What happened?
They talk say our PPA have